In my first 3 months as a freelance video editor, I managed to earn $100 starting from scratch. And in this video, I will share 4 easy steps to help you make your first video editing money. In May of this year, I began my editing journey by creating a YouTube Shorts channel where I made soccer TikToks. However, it didn't perform as well as I had hoped. Subsequently, I started doing freelance work and reached out to potential clients, but unfortunately, I didn't have any success. Then, one day, I came across a client who was willing to pay me $100 for a 10-minute video. If I had implemented these 4 steps earlier, I would probably have been able to find clients more quickly. After watching this video, you will have the secret formula for finding clients and taking your editing game to the next level. Make sure to grab your notepad and write down every bit of free secret source I give you. And of course, enjoy. Step 1. Learn basics of editing. I know it sounds stupid, but it's important to learn the basics of cutting, knowing when to use silence, sound design, and basics of storytelling. I often see beginner video editors adding unnecessary effects that don't serve any purpose in the video. I would start by watching YouTube tutorials. Here are some of my favorite creators to learn from. Step 2. Edit a story, not a hyper edit. Nowadays, when I'm watching YouTube videos, I feel like my brain is going to explode. The video just starts and I see a million sound effects and explosions. Stop doing that. Instead, follow this 3-act structure graph. In the first 10 to 15 seconds, you need to hook your viewers. Just like when you are walking next to McDonald's and you smell that fresh McDonald's fries. That is how McDonald's hooks its customers. You need to do that for your video editing. The most effective way is to show a quick montage of the most interesting part of the video. After you hook your viewer, you need to set up your video. In the next 30 seconds of the video, say, how are you going to do the thing you are doing? For the last part, show your viewers what they came for. Step 3. Create a Twitter account. Twitter is one of most easiest platforms to get clients. On this Twitter account, you will share everything you know and everything you create. Many influencers are actively seeking video editors on Twitter, and if they like your work, they may reach out to you. It is important to upload content consistently to reach a larger audience. Step 4. Editing someone else's content for free and uploading it to social media. I got my first client by downloading a video from YouTube and re-editing. That video received some views and the client reached out to me via email and expressing interest in working together with me. You can download unedited podcast and edit out interesting parts and promote that edit on Twitter. Repeat this step a bunch of times and in no time you will get yourself a video editing client. Make sure you watch my previous video where I talk how Mr. Beast clickbaits viewers with his thumbnails.